Hi, learn how the 80-20 rule can take your trading to the next level. Become a profitable Forex trader today. Even a beginner can apply this simple strategy to start making profit today. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 dead-end job that barely pays your bills at the end of each month? I can perfectly understand why you keep trying to put up with it. Because you need your job to pay bills and have kids and support family and friends. I know exactly how you feel. Obviously, there are other reasons why you're still doing the 9-to-5 dead-end job. The most important thing is that you have a choice to do something new, as part-time or full-time, for you to have time and financial freedom, and to be able to spend quality time with family and friends. No matter your level of experience in trading, you can apply this simple strategy and start making profit today. This strategy is a low-risk, high-reward ratio strategy. I am excited to introduce to you 80-20 rule strategy. It is a profitable trading system that I have created and using it to make lots of pips from the market. I use this tool to make profit from the market, enabling me to live the freedom lifestyle and focus on helping others to reach their trading goals.
I'm studying with Green Forex Academy. I'm learning a lot with Green Forex Academy. You should try it. There's a lot of videos, strategies, and everything that you should go on it. My mentor, Andres, it's really good. He's awesome. So I'm learning a lot. So subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Green Forex Academy is changing lives, and it has changed my life as a student. Presently up and running 600 pips in less than 2 weeks, trading just one system that I've perfected from Green Forex Academy. So I urge every one of you to get on the system, get on the academy if you have not, because it will change your life. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.
And I stumbled upon Green Forex Academy, and I looked at some of his videos and decided to give it a try. And I remember making my first trade. It was during the night, and to my surprise, when I'm accustomed to 5-10 pips for the most, woke up to over 100 pips. And from then on, my trading soared. I started to understand the market much better. I started to see the charts and read it much better with the help of Green Forex Academy. So thank you, Mr. Andres. Thank you, Green Forex Academy, for all the help and your prompt and efficient service. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohamedi Ramohapi from Botswana, Africa. I am a product of Green Forex Academy, and I'd like to encourage you that Green Forex Academy is the real deal. Take your time to go through their videos on YouTube, and also make the effort to contact them and learn from them the markets. It has helped me a great deal how to trade the Forex markets. God bless you.
Hello, my name is Sam. I recommend Green Forex Academy.
Try 80-20 rule today and be your own boss.